This is our HS240Y machine. It can make 3 seal, 4 seal, different bag. Okay, I will show you the running. The machine from the roll, automatic pulling. Then this is the pump. It will push the ketchup into the bag. This is how the machine from the plastic roll to a ready ketchup bag. 4 seal. This is the former. It will be the same size as your plastic weighs. So usually we will ask you how many your bag weighs. And this part is the seal mold. It's especially for the 4 seal bag. You see the mold will be same size as the bag width and the length. Down here is the cutter. Some customer maybe need not cutting separately, so we can cut 1 bag or 10 bags. This is a small conveyor, so a collect carton could be here to collect the ready ketchup bag. This is the machine automatic panel. You can see the speed here. And here is the capacity of the machine. This is the parameter panel. All these panels are English language. It's simple for user. The 2 temperature PID for control the plastic seal mold temperature. If you need like a different bag seal type, you need to change the former, change the seal mold. This machine will be whole package in the poly-walled box, so no need a second installation. Just the machine installed ready and you get the machine, you can start the trial. Okay, after production, we can stop the machine just here, and you can power off the machine. So clean the hopper, clean the machine outer, and also the mold. Maybe there is plastic glue inside the mold. Just a brush by copper brush we will include in the machine. That's the machine running.